Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. This came today, so let's open it. Okay, so it's a new box. It's a new box design. I like it. It's simple, it's pink, it's got the flowers. Now I have to say, today is Thursday, the 25th of April. I got my notification that my box had been shipped on Monday, the 22nd. Yes, the 22nd. I couldn't believe it. So this is the first box sent from England, from Beyond the Pink Door, Andrea. And it used to take 10 to 14 days to come here from Ireland. And now this thing's been delivered in less than a week, which is mind-blowing. I don't know if it's going to be like this every month, but how cool is that? So, oh, the sticker's new. So the sticker says, live, laugh, sew. Probably can't see it because it blends in with the box. Let's get this thing open. Oh. There we go. All right, here's the postcard. Very nice. All right, this is subscription box number 27, and this month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric, like usual, and there are 3 colorways. And there is, of course, the QR code on the back that we can scan to get all of the info about the fabric, but also read a few articles, sometimes written by Andrea, sometimes written by special collaborators. All right, let's see. The package, this is so cute. Look how nice this is. Ooh, I can sort of see the fabric through here. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Let's see. First, treat. I love these. Some fine machine needles. So a pack of 6 needles. They're 7010s. A Poundbury wax melt. This is where Andrea lives now. Oh, is it a candle or a wax melt? Hold on. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. It's a melt. This smells divine. Oh my goodness. It is called the Rhubarb Candle Company, made in Dorset. Very nice. Here's my thread. Now, purple is my favorite color, so I'm more than a little excited about the fabric I got. Oh, and I was hoping for a viscose, and it's a viscose. Look at this. Orange is not supposed to be a color I can wear, but purple is. I don't know if this purple is too warm. I don't think it is. I kind of like it. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I wanted a viscose, so wanted a viscose, and I think I already have plans for this. Yeah, this is amazing. Look at this. This is so nice and floaty and drapey. Very, very cool. All right, so I will see Well, because this box got here so quickly, I now have a little bit more time to kind of cook up my plan. Because the video for this is scheduled to come out at the end of May. I almost have like a full month to figure out what I want to make with this and then make it. So I'm going to give myself a few days to, yeah, just cook over this or stew over this. And I'll be back as soon as I have something made up. For you, it'll probably feel like 2 seconds. So I'll see you soon. And I'm back. And I am thrilled with what I decided to make with my fabric. I ended up making 2 garments. Admittedly, I had to squeeze the pattern pieces onto the 2.5 meters, but I managed it. So what did I end up making? I mean, I went back and forth for days before finally settling on something. So I thought about a dress, but then most of you know how I feel about dresses. I didn't want to just make another top. And I was thinking summer, these are such bright, beautiful colors. I wanted it to be a summer outfit. So I went with the Avola Cami by Cashmerette. It is a club pattern for the top. And I used about 1.5, maybe a little under 1.5 meters, because this cami is lined almost completely. Like the lining ends below the bust, so it doesn't go all the way down. But, you know, you basically line the whole thing almost. I did make a couple of changes to this pattern based on the last one I made, because I've made 2 of these already. This is now my 3rd. The first time I made this, I found the straps to be a little too long, so the V was just way too low for me. And on the back, you could see the top of my bra, which I did not love. So I shortened the straps on my second version, but then neglected to move the bust darts, which obviously had gone up by ½ an inch. So on this 3rd version, I kept the shorter straps, but then lowered my bust dart by about ½ an inch. And they're not perfect, and I did a really bad job of sewing one of them, but whatever, it'll do, it'll do. So I love my new cami. I think it'll be super nice with white cardigan, like a little light layer when I need it. I probably will never wear this to work, definitely not in the office, but this will be a really nice top to wear with linen pants or jeans for like a barbecue or, you know, a day hanging out with family, that kind of thing. So that's the top. The bottom I'm super excited about are the Helen's Closet Winslow Culottes. I've had that pattern forever. I probably bought that pattern very shortly after I started making garments again. So we're talking 4 or 5 years maybe. And I just never made them. And the reason why was the zipper. As you know, as silly as that sounds, I just did not want, like all through the pandemic and stuff, I couldn't be bothered with zipper closures on pants or shorts. Give me elastic all day long. But then I discovered a hack on Helen's blog for putting elastic or inserting elastic in the back waistband. So in the front, you have a flat waistband, but in the back, you've got the comfort of elastic. And because these shorts or these culottes are so voluminous, oh my God, I can't speak. So much volume. You really can't tell that there's elastic back there. So I love these culottes. There will definitely be more. I think the fit is pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna have to have a look at the pictures and look at it from behind. When I looked at myself in the mirror, it looked as though the hem in the back was a tiny bit higher than the hem in the front. which is strange because I don't have much of a booty, so I don't know why the hem in the back would go up, but I'm going to have a look at that and fine tune the fit if I need to, because I'm going to make a second pair of these shortly. I don't know if you remember the Gilbert top I made in a linen viscose, that blueprint from Minerva. I talked about it in one of my recent Friday sews, but anyways, I still have a little over a meter of that fabric, so it's going to be turned into Winslows, because I think the Gilbert and the Winslows together are going to be an amazing outfit. So yeah, I did have to piece my waistband in multiple pieces, and I didn't think it would matter because of the elastic in the back. I made it so that the seam lines for my extra stitching would be in the back, so with all the gathering you can't tell anyways, but from the front it looks fine and just in one piece. So I am super excited. I'm probably gonna wear this outfit, like this matchy set, to something like a family barbecue, for example. But I'm also going to wear these pieces separately, as I said before, with jeans or linen pants, or I could wear the culottes with a shirt or a t-shirt. I'm super excited. I have a piece of lilac linen that I'm thinking of turning into a Vernon shirt. And I'm going to try to do short sleeves on the Vernon, and it would look amazing with these culottes. And I've also got a purple linen viscose blend that's flying over to me right now that is going to make an amazing pair of pants that I can then wear with this cami. So just 2 garments, but the outfit possibilities are really, really good, which is what I aim for when I make garments. I really don't like it when I make something that there's only one other thing I can wear it with. This is going to be perfect for my summer wardrobe. So there you have it. Think Pink box number 27 in the books, all done, and just in time because I got notifications today that box 28 is on its way. And because I got mine so quickly this month, I expect that my next box is going to be here in a matter of days. So super, super happy that I managed to get my fabric sewn up before my next box got here. I would love to know your thoughts on the outfit, on the fabric, or on the box in general. If you are subscribed to Andrea's Think Pink box, what did you think of the fabric? Did you sew yours up yet? And which color did you get? I would love to know. Put that in the comments below. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.